Hello guys, and today we're going to teach you how to make Windows and manufacture stuff. So this is you can see here, you're going to go to Task Manager and you see this. You get to come publish your name like Google LLC, and today I'm going to teach you how to do that in Visual Studio. And okay, so we're going to create a new project. Alright, let's create a new project. Go here. And we're going to click and create a new project. And this is going to be called you want to go to Windows format, click this. Alright, and net framework, you can do whatever you want, doesn't matter. Let's change some few stuff. Can't do this. And tab image, dabbing. So now what you want to do is that you want to go to project and you can click in form 1 properties, or you can go here to right click this and you want to click on properties, or you can also click an alt enter on the keyboard. Oh wait, never mind, doesn't work. So we're gonna do this. Oh no. Alright, so we don't need this. So now what we're gonna do is that we're going to be going to project form properties, and you got all your information. What you want to do is that you want to go over here to assembly information, and you got all your descriptions. So title, your title, dabbing kids. And if you don't know what the title is this thing that comes here. So mine would be coming dabbing kids. We can do a description, and if you don't know what's a description, basically we'll go to file, go here, and let's just go here. And I hover onto a application, and you can get the file description skater. So I guess you got that idea. So we're gonna do in here devs. And company name is the company name. So even if you run as administrator, it wouldn't be coming up because you're not verified. So you can see here the company name. We got Club Dark. So we're gonna create our own custom one. Company name, developers. Don't make it so trash. And product name. Write your product name. Mine is called the dabbing image. And this is your trademark, copyright trademark. And if you don't know what trademark is, you can set some stuff here. Dab gods. Now what you want to do is you want to click on OK, and we're gonna go here, rebuild. Come on. All right, let's start the program. Let's go to the Task Manager. And we got it. It says dabbing kids, as we set our title. We're gonna go into it, and you got the dab developers, the publisher name. Now trademark no one can take, so let's end the task. Let's go to repos, and you can see here, if I right click and go to properties, you got that you got description dabbing kids, and we can change the description again. So let's change the description to something like hello world, and we're gonna rebuild the solution. Oh no, I don't want build, buddy. Alright, refresh properties. Oh my gosh. And now you got that. It works perfectly fine. Got this, and yeah. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.